creators, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a simple wall decor. In order to do that, you will need a 9-inch circle. That can be foam board or cardboard, an 8-inch mirror. I have spoon handles. These are plastic spoon handles in which I painted silver. And in order to get the placement on my board, I took an 8-inch circle and I folded it 4 times, and that's how I got the placement for my spoons. There should be 32, although I did not count them. And here I'm just getting the placement for my spoons. These are just regular plastic spoon handles that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I snapped them apart and just painted the handles silver. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and by all means, if you so desire, share it. I would greatly appreciate it. For my oldies but goodies, thank you. I really thank all my subscribers for hanging in there with me. I appreciate all the suggestions that you guys leave, all the nice comments that you leave. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share. By all means, please share. Now, if you notice here, I changed boards because the other one I used tape or silver tape to make it look a little bit more finished, but I didn't like the way that it looked. So the board that I'm using now, I believe, is a 10-inch board, and I cut a piece of cardboard to give it more stability, and I'm going to put those two together, but later you'll see that I painted it to make it look a little bit more finished. I like the painted version better. So I'm just putting some hot glue on here so I can put my two pieces together. Now here I'm just putting some diamond wrap around the edges to give it a more finished look.